To get the best out of Google Bard, please explain. Zero-shot prompt, one-shot prompt and few-shot prompt. Sure. Zero-shot prompting, one-shot prompting, and few-shot prompting are all techniques for using large language models, LLMs, to perform tasks that they were not explicitly trained on. Zero-shot prompting is when you provide the LLM with a prompt that is not part of its training data, but the LLM can still generate a result that you desire. For example, you could ask the LLM to write a poem about a dragon, even though it was never trained on any data about dragons. One-shot prompting is when you provide the LLM with a prompt and one example of the desired output. For example, you could ask the LLM to write a poem about a dragon, and then give it one example of a poem about a dragon. Few-shot prompting is when you provide the LLM with a prompt and multiple examples of the desired output. For example, you could ask the LLM to write a poem about a dragon, and then give it 5 examples of poems about dragons. In general, zero-shot prompting is the most challenging, but it can also be the most powerful. Few-shot prompting is less challenging, but it can also be less powerful. One-shot prompting is in between the two. To get the best out of Google Bard, you should use the appropriate type of prompting for the task at hand. If you are not sure which type of prompting to use, you can experiment with different prompts and see what works best. Here are some tips for writing effective prompts. Be as specific as possible. The more specific you are, the more likely the LLM is to generate the desired output. Use keywords that are relevant to the task at hand. The LLM will use these keywords to search its knowledge base for relevant information. Use examples if possible. Examples can help the LLM understand what you are looking for. Be patient. The LLM may need some time to generate the desired output. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Made using bard.google.com. By youtube.com/micdowns.